Hello guys, good morning. It's Monday. Today, I woke up at 6 a.m. Sobrang aga, pero wala pa akong gana kanina. So, ngayon pa lang ako mag-start ng araw ko, 9 a.m. So, we're having a good weather ngayon. It's the view outside.
Okay, Janice. Janice, you gotta give me Janice. That wasn't being picky. Shine. You be noisy girl number one. You be noisy. What's all that her folks play?
And a married lady now.
Love.
Time to be up. To be with someone.
Change clothes. I'm going to buy coffee from this Soft Habit. I'm gonna go to my Pilates class at Core Pilates in Scout. Near lang siya dito sa condo. I think it's 10 to 15 minutes away lang.
Open your arms a little wide. Pati lang. Hold. Keep your knees straight muna. Hold. Spine straight. Do not lean back. Hold.
Just finished here. And I'm gonna go gym na. Cardio with JC. Okay, just finished with cardio. Today is leg day for me. I'm not sure if it's a right idea na mag-leg day after ng Pilates. So we're going to Trinoma and Vertiz. Now we're here still in SM North kasi si JC ay nag-window shopping. We're going to Vertiz but it's raining heavily so we're gonna book a Grab na lang.
Diyos ko, Ginoo.
Ang lakas ng hangin, ang lakas ng ulan. We're here at Vertiz North. And we're also going to buy some beverage.
Name na lang.
This is what we order, beef kafta. Ayan, dalawa. Hummus, favorite ko. And then, quesadilla.
Sarap. In fairness ah. Ito yung kama. Nag-try talaga tayo. Friends talaga tayo sa smoke.
So, we're finished eating. And pauwi na ako. Nag-decide na lang ako na maglakad. Kasi, pag nag-grab ako, or move it, baka matraffic lang ako, or biglang umulan. So, ayan, walking